Well, hello and welcome to Halloween. One of the most fearful encounters would be to get caught up in a nest of spiders. Baby spiders and mama spiders. Oh, the terror. But wouldn't it be a wickedly awesome Halloween decoration? Well, to make a faux nest, you'll need a bag of cotton balls, some cheap white stockings or knee-highs, some plastic spiders, hot glue, and some clear thread. What you're going to do is stretch out the stockings as much as you can and then take the cotton balls and shred them a little bit and stuff them into your stocking. Literally, just stuff it. And keep doing that until you have a full stocking. Like this. Then what you're going to do is take your spiders and hot glue them to the outside of the stocking. The stuffed stocking, that is. And as you glue the spiders down, you're also going to shred some more of that cotton and layer it over the top of those spiders. You're going to add spiders, then cotton, and then spiders and cotton until you have several layers. And then you're going to take the clear string and attach it to some of the spiders, and you'll glue that onto the cotton or the bottom of the nest. And what this will do is create this little creepy hanging spiders from the end of the spider's nest, just like this. And it'll hang and dangle like a real spider and be really creepy, like this. Ah, so creepy, isn't it? But it's so cool. So creepy. Super creepy. Okay, I'm done. When you're ready to hang it, you can drape it in additional cotton spider webs and then add any other spiders that you wish, and that's it. Super creepy. And this will be one scary Halloween decoration. Happy Halloween!